Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your product key on your Windows 11. And there are two methods. The first method is use CMD and the second method is use PowerShell. So let's jump into the first method. First, you can go to your search box here. Then you can search CMD. And then in the command prompt, you can right click and then run as administrator. And click yes, and then you can just paste the script I put on the description and it will show your product key. Okay, if it doesn't work, let's try to the second method. First, you can go to your search box again and then search PowerShell, Windows PowerShell here. Then you can right click and then run as administrator. Then click yes, and then you can paste the script I put on the description also. Click enter and it will show your product key. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.